we are going to test the Clockify app, that how it is configured and how it is installed. So first of all, go to the level up marketplace. So here search the Clockify, like, and then install. If you want to install on all the locations, then install it in on the agency level. Otherwise, you can also select a location where you want to install it. So in our case, we are going to install it in all the locations. So I proceed. So here, wait a few seconds, like, then you get a message that app is installed successfully, like this. So when it is, so then you need to go to the location level. So here on this page, all the installed app will be there. So search Clockify, and then you need to configure it. So when you configure it, so this is Clockify configurations. So here you need to pass the API key. So first of all, you need a Clockify account. So here I already created the Clockify account. So in this section, first of all, click on there and go to preferences. So go to advanced settings, and here you can generate the API key. Like, click on this button. So here I copy the API key. So after this, here I pass this and submit. So now the credentials are saved, and after this you can use it in automation, like in the workflow builder, the Clockify app, like here. So all the action will be there.